Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Home Education. Today I am going to give you the simple summary of the last lesson from Flamingo book class 12 CBSE board. But before I give you the summary of this lesson, first I want to tell you the characters of this story. The first character of this story is Mr. M. Hemel, who is a teacher in the city of Alsace in a school. He is a strict teacher. The second character is a boy whose name is French. He is a naughty boy. He does not pay any attention in his study, and so these are the two characters of this story. And now listen the main point of this story. The main point of this story is about Franco-Prussian War. It means that the war between Germany and France. And the result of this war was that Germany defeated France. So after this war, two cities of France was captured. The name of these two cities are Alsace and Lorraine. A new order came from Berlin that in the city of Alsace and Lorraine, German language will be taught at the place of French. So this is the main point of this story. And now listen the story very attentively. As you know very well that Mr. M. Hemel is a strict teacher. So he asks questions to the students and check them. If he finds any mistakes, he also punishes them. He punishes the little boy French. French is a naughty boy. All the times he is doing prank in the class. He does not pay any attention in the class. He does not pay any attention in his study. So Mr. M. Hemel is very upset with him. He is very angry with him. And one day he was teaching special lesson on participle, and he gave home assignment to the student that when they will come the next day he will ask the question on participle, and if any student does not answer he will punish him or her. So this is his warning to all the students. And the second day, when the boy French was coming to school from his home, he noticed that there was a very peace in the village, and when he came nearer to the school he saw a bulletin board. In front of bulletin board there were many people gathered. These people were reading any special information written on the bulletin board. And now I want to tell you what is the information written on the bulletin board. On that bulletin board, the information is that in the city of Alsace and Lorraine, only German will be taught and French will not be taught. This is the special notice. And the boy French also noticed it. He also knew before he was coming to school. And finally, when he came to the school campus, he noticed that there was much peace in the school. There was pin drop silent in the school. Usually the school was full of noise. There was hustle bustle in the school, but today is the contrary atmosphere. Anyway, he reached in front of his classroom. So he saw that his teacher M. Hemel was taking his class. The class was peaceful. The class was full of students. Today, mostly students have come in the comparison of Delhi. Some villagers have also come, and they are sitting in the last row, in the last row of the, in the last row. I mean, in the last benches. Anyway, so without taking for permission or without saying anything, the boy French wanted to enter the class because he knew that the teacher was going to teach, and he didn't want to disturb him because he was already late today. And when any student was late, Mr. M. Hamel became irritated and he punished him or her. So he didn't want to disturb him. So slowly he entered the class and he came and took a seat. M. Hamel was sitting on his seat and he opened the book, and soon he took a chalk and write something which was related to the French language, and then he gave a lecture on that particular topic, especially on the French language. But it was a little lecture, and then he started giving a long speech, and listen his speech. Today he was wearing a party dress, means the dress which he was wearing in a party or which he was wearing especially on Sunday when he was free. In his speech he was saying that he was unhappy, he was disappointed and sad, and he indicated to the students that his duty finished on very that day. He told them that they knew very well that a notice came from Berlin that in Alsace and Lorraine city schools only only German language will be taught, so French language will not be taught. So Mr. M. Hamel says that now his service is finished because there is no need of teaching French language, so he will go from here. He is free from his work. Now new teacher of German language will come and he will teach them. So he was disappointed and sad. Finally with his chalk he wrote on the blackboard, "Vive la France." It means that French language is immortal. It is great and it will never be disappeared. Anyway, today the boy French realized that he was doing mistakes. He should read, he should study in the class, and he should not do any prank in the class, because today he realized that how much important his language was. Today he really realized that how much important the French language was and how he has lost the lectures based on French language. He was regret, but it is too late. Now his teacher was also going. So boy French was also disappointed and sad like his teacher. Anyway, after giving his lecture, the teacher Mr. M. Hamel left the class. All the students also left the class. The little boy French was alone. He saw that some pigeons were sitting on the balcony and roof of the school, and he was thinking, according to the order of Prussia, new language German will be taught in the school of Alsace and Lorraine. So they will teach German language in their schools. But he was thinking that they will not teach these pigeons and doves and birds and animals. They can force to human being with their power, with their weapon, but they cannot force to the animals, birds like pigeons. Anyway, he realized that the French language will be remain in his heart forever and forever, and he will never forget the French language, whatever he has learned till now, and he will try to learn this language more and more. So this is the easy summary of this lesson, students. So how do you like this story? Give your feedback. Share this video to the students of class 12 CBSE board. Comment on my video, and okay, Jai Hind.